Hello friends, welcome to HRH. Today's topic is how to show unique values in a pivot table from a database. So sometimes it happens that we have a large amount of database and in that database contains multiple values, multiple duplicate values. That database is not incorrect, but say for example, in a case of we have connected with a number of people in a, say for example, in a particular month. Now we have connected with a particular employee thrice or twice in a month. So his name is appearing twice or thrice in that particular database. Now the question is how we can show the how many people we have connected and out of which how many are the unique connects. How many are the unique connects means what is the unique number of employees we have connected. So that is how we have to project, how we have to showcase this into a pivot table. That's the topic. So I have a database, simple database. It contains employee ID, date of joining, supervisor ID, client, gender, and the connect status. And this database having contents, it's a very small database I have taken only for this purpose. There are 36 entries are there, and out of 36 entries, there are multiple duplicate entries are there. Now, how will you find duplicate entries in a particular kind of database, or how you can automate your sheet in such a way that moment you will find a duplicate entries, it will show you some kind of color coding. So how we can show it? So we can go to the first we have to go to the home tab, then we have to go to the conditional formatting. Then under the conditional formatting, we have to click on the highlight cells rule. Under highlight cells rules, there is an option called duplicate values. So you have to click on duplicate values. So moment I click on duplicate values, it gives you an option that how we can project those duplicate entries. So there are light red fields, light color, yellow color. You can select any of which. You can select a custom format also, and then you have to select, click on the OK. The moment you click on the OK button, you will find, so these are the duplicate values. These are the duplicate employee IDs. How will you find the duplicate IDs? Let me put a filter on the header. Say for example, 31112. I can just copy and paste this employee ID. We'll find there are two entries, 31112. So maybe we have connected twice with this particular employee. So that is why it is giving an this kind of color coding, a pink color. Say for example, this employee ID particularly 165, it is appears only once. So it will not feature having any employee, any color basically. Okay. Second one is that we can select the entire database in a tabular format. So that will give a number of benefits. We will discuss about the benefits of putting any Excel table in a tabular format later in some other videos. How will you do it? Very simple. Put Control T. Then you will find this kind of dialog box will open. So my table, I will click on this. My table has headers, and then I click OK. Now, moment I will click OK, it will give me a default design of this blue color. You can unselect this blue color by selecting this one, the top portion. Then it will be your original color. It will have a no color basically. Now, how we will give you this unique number, unique connects of the employees. Very simple. You have to go to the insert. We have to go to the click on the pivot table option. Now under this pivot table option, this is a window generally we find. So now in this window, we have to check box. There is a check box. Add this data to the data model. We have to click it is as yes. So then the moment we'll click it as on yes, then it will give you the option of it will convert the pivot table into a power pivot basically. You have to click the OK button. Then this is a normal pivot table dialog box will open. We will select the client in the rows. We will select the employee IDs under the values, and we will click the two employee IDs into the values. Now we do not want to know it and do not want it having in a sum. Basically, we'll select it on the count. So this will give me the total number of employees I have connected. And we have to select this on the summarize value by. And now under the summarize value by, we'll find an option called distinct count. So the moment you'll click the distinct count, it will give you a distinct count, distinct number of people we have connected. So here the number is 26. Now the question is whether this 26 number is correct or not. We can go to this database again. We can select the employee ID only. We can select, copy and paste this employee ID here in any of the blank column. Just so it's taking some time. Then we have to go to the data. We have to click on data. There is an option called remove duplicates. We can select, click on this remove duplicates. Then this kind of dialog box will open. You have to select, click on this OK button. So it will show 10 duplicates value found and removed. 26 unique values remain. Click on OK. So now this is your all the unique values. How many unique values? 26 unique values, including header, it is 27. Again, I have to go to this file. So I will find 26 unique values. So this is data is basically the corrected data. So hope this tips is very useful, and you will find it very useful in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day corporate life. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please do a like and subscribe. Thank you.